M0FXB, I'm going to run you through my manual dial procedure on this KYDERA 880, same as the RADIODDITY GD-88. So first thing you know what, we're going to do this in Vfo mode. So let's get everything on one band. So on the B band here, we're in Vfo. So what we'll do, we'll hit this button here, the flat button here, so that the word control is down at the bottom. And then we may as well put the PTT down there with the red button here. So you can see control PTT. We're in Vfo now. I'll show you how to get in Vfo mode. Hold down this red button like so, and we're now in memory mode, and we can change zones with, I've programmed this button here to change zones just on the B band, like zone 2, zone 1. If you want to know how to tell where zones are, look, it says here 04 here, we're in zone 4. See, but we don't want to use zones, we're going to do Vfo mode. So hold down this, and now we can now type in our frequencies now manually, just using the keypad. Anyway, so now we want to sort of manually enter our analog or digital channel. So hold down this button here and keep it pressed, and we can now manually select digital or analog. So if we hit this button here, the select, it goes purple, and then we can change parameters. We're going to keep it in digital, so I'm going to show you that this channel works. So we'll leave it as digital, then we'll go down 1. Now we need to, I'll select that first so it goes red again, then we go down. We're not going to change the step. The frequency we entered in at the beginning, you just type that in, 431550, and that's for my hotspot here. Bit glary here, but anyway, we'll go down. Power, we've kept it at low. RX, let's just select that. Slot 1 and slot 2. Now we set it to off. If it's not on off, it doesn't work when you're using a simplex hotspot. So that's your slot. Same goes for TX. Color code is the next one down. Receive, we've set it to 1. TX color code, again, set it to 1. Go down. Ignore that. Message type. Impolite is the one that seems to be standard, so I'll leave that. Now we're on receive group. Now this is really important. If you don't select 1, then you don't hear anything. I could put that to, if we select it and go to 2 or off, I don't hear anything. So I put it on 1 and then I select it, and I can hear the hotspot then. Then we'll go down. That's encode is what you would put in if you were analog channel, because you'd have like a CT CSS look. But actually maybe it's different for digital, but anyway, that's off. Worldwide is your contact. Obviously very important, you've created the contact number, which on this one is 91. I'll show you how to do the contact. And then you can save it to Vfo. Click OK. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug back in my hotspot. And while that's booting, I'll just quickly show you how to do the color code. The contact, just go menu, and the first selection is contact. Click select. Go up 1 so it highlights add a new contact. Then you add, and look, you add the number. Just type the number on the keypad. Click OK, go back, then you can name it, and then go back, and then go to call type, which you want group call, don't you? Definitely want group call underneath, and then just save it. So you've created the contact. So that means that when you do that list and you get to that section of contact, it will then allow you to select the one that you just created. So that's fine. Let's just wait for some activity on my hotspot here, which is a DV Mega hotspot, and then we'll hear it working.
K4DXN, Kilo Charlie 3, Lima Kilo Uniform, Victor Kilo 4, Delta X-ray November.
There you are, that's working great. Now let's do the RT-73. So hit menu, then go to number 12 up here. You'll see the numbers change, and number 12 is channel edit. There you go, select that. Same menu, but I'll just scroll down the parameters for you. Digital, frequency of the hotspot, low power because it's here at home, RX only off, RX color code is 1, TX color code 1, And on this one, we've got receive time slot is on and on. Weirdly, on on the handheld, it was off. But anyway, alarm off, call alert off, PATCS, we didn't do that, ignore that. Impolite, that's what it seems to be the one that works. And on this radio, we've got RX group off, but on the handheld, I had to turn it on. Don't ask me why, I just did. And so try both. And then contact as well. You need to select your contact, and then you're going to get the option to save to VFO, save to channel. There you are. Save. Well, it looks like on that one you don't get save VFO. Isn't that weird? But I'm just showing you what works, because if I back out of this, it works. The good thing is you can actually set the frequency just typing it into the microphone, which is pretty good. Let's go through it again. So we're in VFO mode. I programmed a button number 2 to go to VFO mode. So let's do it again. Let's have a quick look. So we go menu, number 12. So when we're in VFO mode, it only went to 11. So that's interesting, isn't it? VFO, look, it's called VFO. Select. We'll go down through again. So we're going to go first one. We want digital. And we're going to go down 5 megahertz. Power, we're going to select low. Receive only. We don't want that, so we'll turn that to off. Then we'll go color code, we like 1, TX1, slots, we'll select that. Now we actually wanted to say all on, that's the one that works. Slot, we'll go to on, ignore what that is. Polite, now I find the one, impolite is the one that seems to work. What's that one say? Off. Let's just try it. No, we're not using that. Contacts. We're going to select worldwide. RX group. We put that to 1. Okay, that's the one that worked. It's not really giving us the chance to save to VFO. Let's go back and let's just see if that works. Yeah, so that works. So it looks like it just saves it to the VFO. Yeah, quite happy with that. So yeah, the second section of entering manually was the one that worked. The first section was what was preset for digital. 73, thanks for watching my channel. Catch you on air. All the best.